Welcome back to my kitchen. In this kitchen, we create a lot. Today, I want to make bissap. That is what we call it in French. But here, in English, we call it Zobo. I want to prepare Zobo for my children today. So let's get started. Here is my Zobo. The leaf that I'm going to use here is the Zobo leaf. Hibiscus is what we call it. Hibiscus. And here is my basil, the leaf that I'm going to use in cooking it. It smells so good. And this is what I'm going to use. Only these sachets of this drink, berries, is what I'm going to use. And here is my gloves. We call it horompoli, but in English it's gloves. This is what I'm going to use. And this is my blended ginger. It's already blended ginger that I'm going to use to cook it. So let's get started by washing our hibiscus. Thank you for watching. Thank you for my returning subscribers. Always know that I, Maureen, I love you guys so very much. Your love and your subscribes is never taken for granted. I love you all so much. Come and spend our beautiful day with us. Thank you.